I'm excited to be unboxing Nama's new M1 milk maker. This is by far my favorite product to use during the fall season. The pitcher has a built-in bowl lid that perfectly measures out the right amount of nuts, oats, or seeds for a single serving size. The M1 is about 16 inches tall, weighs 11.9 pounds, and allows you to make up to 4 cups of milk at a time. It comes with a 15-year warranty, and I love the new digital screen that gives you step-by-step instructions throughout the process. The M1 is available in 2 colors, white and black, and the cleanup is incredibly easy, taking half the effort compared to Nama's other products. We all know how tedious it can be to scrub the juicer filter baskets, but this milk maker's filter basket is a breeze to clean. Just rinsing it alone does most of the job. Plus, it doesn't require disassembling a lot of parts, making the whole process even more simple. There's so much I love about this machine, but I'll dive into the details as we get into the recipes later on in this video. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, the M1 comes with a few great accessories. It includes an amazing recipe book, which I used for one of the recipes in this video, a pulp storage bag, my favorite because who wants to waste food, and a large brush to help with the cleanup. Everything about this machine is thoughtfully designed with people like me in mind. I love saving time where I can, and it's clear that Nama kept us in mind to make sure we truly enjoy our experience. Recipe number 1, sweet potato pecan milk. If you haven't noticed, the pecans are dry. That's right, you don't need to soak them, which saves you even more time. Of course, you can rinse them if needed, but soaking isn't necessary. I've also been getting a lot of questions about the sweet potatoes. To clarify, no, you don't need to soak or boil them. And yes, they produce a lot of juice because sweet potatoes aren't dry. You can definitely taste the sweet potatoes every time you milk or juice them, and the texture is perfectly creamy. Think candy yams. In this recipe, I won't be saving the pulp, but keep watching because in the next recipe, I'll show you how to use the pulp storage bag. Trust me, as we go through these recipes, you'll fall even more in love with the M1. For your reference, all the recipes will be listed in the description of this video. I should mention that the pitcher that comes with the M1 has the measurements on the side. For each recipe in this video, I use up to 4 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of pink salt, though I honestly eyeballed it, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, also eyeballed. I'm so used to making recipes like someone's grandma who keeps the secrets, but I'm getting better at being precise because I know you all love having exact recipes, and I totally get it. This is my first time making oat milk. I had some leftover raw oats and decided to try one of Nama's recommended recipes. I stuck with the same base ingredients, 4 cups of water, pink salt, and vanilla extract, but added pumpkin spice seasoning, which I'm really excited about. It took me forever to find pumpkin spice because not every store carries it, and those that do only stock it for a limited time. The milk turned out great, but I wish I had added more dates and pumpkin spice. I noticed oats don't have as much flavor as almonds and pecans, so unless you're using it in another recipe, it can be a bit bland. It reminds me of hemp milk. I'll definitely make it again, just with a little extra spice. With this recipe, I'll definitely be saving the pulp for sure. As I focus more on my physical health, I realize how important it is to keep the journey as simple as possible. Store-bought milk just isn't healthy, and I've always wanted to invest in my well-being without spending hours in the kitchen. It's such a blessing to find ways to enjoy life without being tied down to a labor-intensive diet, while also still staying healthy. I'm so grateful for the resources I have that allow me to continue showing up for both my daughter and myself in the best way possible. My next recipe is a tasty one that I made for my daughter because she loves it. Actually, we both love it. This is the fun part. The pulp storage bag lets you save your pulp for delicious desserts and other homemade dishes. Simply remove the pulp from the filter basket, place it in the storage bag, flatten it, seal it, and store it in the freezer or fridge if you plan to use it sooner than later. It's super convenient, and I'm already thinking of so many ways I could use it. Last but definitely not least, we're having chocolate almond milk. I honestly didn't have high expectations for this, but it's hands down the best milk recipe I ever made. No lie, I was never a fan of store-bought chocolate milk, but this recipe is a game changer for the whole family. Forget hot chocolate. Let's have some chocolate almond milk by the fireplace while watching Halloween movies. That's the vibe I'm in right now. I could make chocolate milk like back to back if I want, because cleaning this milk maker is so easy and there's no soaking or waiting overnight for anything to soften. We're just enjoying a freshly made glass of milk. If you're interested in the M1 milk maker, click on the link in the description. Yes, you'll still get 10% off using my promo code WhitneyM1. With the holiday season approaching, this is the perfect gift for your loved ones who enjoy whipping up something tasty for the family in the kitchen.